This time we're going to start with our line designs, and our first project has to do with calligraphy. And calligraphy is really basically a very beautiful gestural line. And so you've got line like this, and notice this blue paint pen that I've used here. I'm using the same word, it's peaceful, and the peaceful is overlapping so that I have these really loopy lines. And I've used peaceful on the same kind of paper here, and you can see it across here in these two collages here. So I really like the yellow paper with the calligraphy, but I also have it on tissue paper, and I have it with colored marker here. I think this one says excellent. Alright, so basically I want you to start with a really big hand like this with pencil. And I could use that like that, but it's a little subdued. If I want a little bit more color to it, I can add color as well. And you could do this with marker, you can do it with crayon, you can do it with Sharpie, you could do it with paint pen, anything that you want to do. So here's a lovely piece of manila yellow paper, and I'm going to be, here's a crayon, and I'll do peaceful like I did it before. And you want to use your whole arm, and you want it to overlap very big. And if you run out of room before you get to the end, that's all right. And try to think of your word that you're using over and over again, and imagine that you are that word. So choose a word that is meaningful to you and overlap each line. Alright, so I've got it there with the the red crayon. If I came on with a black Sharpie now, my paper here has a bend in it, I'll have some contrast. And you can do this with a paint pen, you could use puff paint, anything that you can make a mark with. Pencil would be really nice over the top. So I have a regular pencil here. I can just keep going until I feel like I have enough nice calligraphic lines that I could collage with it. Make several of those. And I know it's easy to say, oh, this is just scribbles. But as you see, it has a nice contrast feel to your design. If I was going to use this one, I would probably use it where I need some of the red color with it.